Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube video. In this lesson today, we're going to talk about the exponents or indices. Exponents and indices doesn't matter because it matters in which it actually matters in countries, in the United States or United Kingdom. In the United States, it's exponents, and the United Kingdom is indices, where I'm from. Um, Indices is basically a repeated multiplication, and in multiplication 2 times 4 would equal 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, and that'll make 8. So 2 times 4 is the same. You could also do a repeated multiplication like this, basically. 2 times 2 times 2 would equal 8, or 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 equals 81, and so on. But does it seem good to do repeated multiplication like this? Well, there are easier ways to do the multiplication repeatedly, like this. 2 over the power of 3 equals 8, or 3 over the power of 4 equals 81, and so on. Because 2 over the power of 3 equals 2 times 2 times 2, or 5 over the power of 2 equals 5 times 5, or 3 over the power of 4 equals 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, and 10 over the power of 3 equals 10 times 10 times 10. And it gives you these answers, your final answers. And if you look at closely here, the base number has to be bigger than the index number, because if you have two numbers the same, it will become a 2-digit number, like 22. So make sure the index number is smaller than the base number, because otherwise you'll get very, very confusing. But if you want to write it on a computer, you use a caret symbol, like this. 2 over the power of 2 equals 2 caret 2 equals 2 times 2 equals 4. Or 3 over the power of 4 equals 3 caret 4 would equal 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 equals 81, and so on. And if you look at the tens, 10 over the power of 2 equals 10 times 10 equals 100. 10 over the power of 3 equals 10 times 10 times 10 equals 1000. And as I put more bigger exponent number or index number, the more zeros it adds. As you can see, 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 equals 10,000. And it just gets bigger every time. And I want to point out that 10 over the power of 2 is not the same as 10 times 2, because exponent or indices is repeated multiplication, and if you do 10 times 2, it's just going to make 20. And 10 over the power of 2 is going to make 100. So there's a very, very big difference there. So keep that in mind, that 10 times 2 is not the same as 10 over the power of 2. And indices can be used in any numbers, like 4 over the power of 3, or 9 over the power of 500, or you can even use decimal numbers as well, like 40 over the power of 3.5. And also there's 200 over the power of minus 4, or 10 over the power of minus 3, and so on. And we won't talk about these digit numbers, because we will talk about that in the future videos, because that's very difficult to explain, but we'll talk about that in future videos. And 2 over the power of 2 is 2 squared, or 3 squared, or 4 squared. It doesn't matter which number. Number over the power of 2 is always a squared. 2 over the power of 3 is cubed. So as you can see, 2 times 2 times 2 would make 8, so which means it's 8 cubic meters. And yeah, so in the next video we will talk about roots next, how to bring the numbers back to the original number. So it's always best to practice what you learned today. So yeah, I'm going to end this video. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn notifications on, and comment below if I made any mistakes or if there's any suggestions that you want me to teach in the future. So yeah, that's it, and I'll see you all in the next video. Cheerio.